Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know how important it is to manage your assets securely. Today, we're tackling a common task: withdrawing BUSD from your Trezor hardware wallet to MetaMask. This step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and safe, so you can move your funds with confidence. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both your Trezor wallet and MetaMask set up. Update your Trezor firmware to the latest version for 2025 compatibility, and ensure MetaMask is connected to the Binance Smart Chain, since BUSD is typically on that network. If you haven't already, add BUSD to your MetaMask by going to the Assets tab and searching for it. Step 1. Connect your Trezor device to your computer using the USB cable. Open the Trezor Suite app, which is the go-to interface for managing your hardware wallet. Once you're in, navigate to the Accounts section and select the account that holds your BUSD. Double-check your balance to confirm everything's there. Next, in Trezor Suite, go to the Send option. You'll need to enter the recipient address, which is your MetaMask wallet address. To get that, open MetaMask, switch to the Binance Smart Chain network, and copy the address from the top of the interface. Paste it carefully into Trezor Suite, and specify the amount of BUSD you want to withdraw. Remember, always leave a little extra for gas fees. Before you confirm, verify the transaction details on your Trezor device itself. Never trust just the computer screen. Once you're sure, approve the transaction on your Trezor. This might take a minute or two as the blockchain processes it. Once the transaction is complete, head back to MetaMask and refresh your wallet. You should see your BUSD appear in the account. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a few minutes and check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like BSC Scan. And there you have it. Your BUSD is now safely in MetaMask. This method keeps your funds secure throughout the process. If you run into any issues, double-check network settings or reach out to community forums. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.